Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or off location in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to turn on or off your phone's location, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. In settings, just scroll down and you will get the location option here. If you can't get that, you can easily search it. Just go for search, and here you have to simply search for location and you'll get the location settings. Just search for location and you'll get different location settings. You just have to select anyone, and from here you can easily turn on or off your phone's location, or you can simply turn it on or off from your quick settings. Just scroll down your settings and here you'll get the location option. You can easily turn it on or off from here. So that's how you can easily turn on or off location in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.